What is up, everyone? I'm going to do a quick video on replacing my brake pads and brake rotor in the back here of my bike. So these are fairly worn, as you can see. There's still a little bit of meat left, but I don't like running brakes that close, and also a lot of the other components need replacing, like this pin here, for example, and my rotor itself is pretty worn. Like, you can't really see it, but my fingernail's catching on the edge pretty good now. What's crazy is that I have 77 hours on these brake pads. I put them on at 193 hours, and I'm at 270 hours now. I double checked my records because that seems like a lot, but sure enough, they lasted that long. I've tried a couple different brake pads on this bike, including the OEM KTM Brembo, which lasts a decent amount of time but cost a lot. I tried a few more that cost less but didn't wear very well at all. Finally, I settled on these EBC pads, which last a long time and really don't break the bank. So the updates today will include the brake pads, which again, I'm going to go with the EBC. Same kind like I have on there now. Nice and meaty, and again, they last many, many hours. Got some tusk bolts for the rotor. Got a new pin. This is where basically the brake pads slide on this. That tends to wear. I lube it up, but it still wears because we ride in pretty muddy and wet conditions. And lastly, I got this nice solid tusk rotor. My current rotor is an SRT rotor, but I can't find them anymore, so I'm going to try this Tusk. It's got pretty decent reviews, and I like running a solid rotor because down here, again, with all the mud that we ride in, this prevents brake wear pretty well. In any case, I'm going to pull the wheel, get all this cleaned up. I'm going to lube up the caliper as well, because in here you want to get some grease in there and get this all figured out. Okay, I want to give you guys a closer look here. So the pads are pretty well worn, but there's still a little bit of meat on them. But we've got a riding season coming up, and I really don't want to run our pad in the middle of the trail. Furthermore, this is pretty rusted right here, and I don't like that. So this is what I'm going to be replacing. And I'm also going to pull off my caliper bracket here, so I can pull the caliper apart and lube the two rods that it slides on, because you don't want to get the caliper to bind. Okay, so here's a closer look at the pins I was talking about. So one is on this side, and one is right there. Mine are in pretty decent shape, but they're pretty dry, so I like to pack them full of waterproof grease just to make sure that this whole contraption is able to move as it needs to. The other thing I want to mention is that if you are running OEM Brembo KTM brakes, they come with this basically heat shield that goes on the piston side right here and essentially prevents brake heat from transferring to the piston and boiling your fluid. Aftermarket pads don't seem to have this shield, so I kept my OEM one, and I just reuse it with aftermarket pads like the EBC ones I'm about to put on. Okay, so the new pads are installed. The new pin is installed. Got my heat shield here on the right side, and this is ready for the wheel with the new rotor. If you haven't done this maintenance before, I highly recommend it. You definitely want some grease on your pins, and the brake pad pin as well needs to be clean and hopefully lubricated. Just be careful not to get any lube on your pads, because then you're going to have a good time. It's now time to replace the rotor. As you can see, I have a bit of a lip on it, like I was mentioning, and there are also significant wear marks on the surface. It's as simple as removing these bolts, putting on the new rotor, and using some new bolts torqued to spec in order to install the rotor. So the new rotor is installed, and I gotta say, it looks pretty good. So if you guys haven't done your own brake replacement, you really should. It's not that hard of a job, and you can do it with just a few basic tools. Alrighty, so the wheels are reinstalled, new rotor is on, new brakes are on. This looks really good. I'm pretty excited. So as usual, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.